In this video, I'm going to show you how to open multiple files for Excel. So one of the ways you could do it, if you know where your files are, you can go in and you can use your File Explorer. Go to where your spreadsheets are or the group of spreadsheets you want. And you can click on them by clicking the first one and going to the last in a series, holding the shift key down and hit the click button there on the left button. And it'll highlight every single one of those spreadsheets. And now I can right click on it and I can say open. And then it will open all those files. Now it's opening currently, so let's give it a second to finish. And now it's getting close to being done. So I can see which files are open by going down and clicking on the Excel icon on my taskbar. And so I could see all these various spreadsheets and I can move through them as I need to go to whichever spreadsheet I want. So now let's cancel out all these. And I'll show you another way to pick them. I don't want to save any of these. Okay, another way to do this is to click on whichever ones you want, but hit the control button, and you can skip around and pick numerous spreadsheets as you choose. And then right click and say open. And now it'll open those spreadsheets. And here we go again. Going down to the taskbar, and you can see the spreadsheets that are open. And again, you can move through them as you need. And that is how you open spreadsheets that way. Now, let's go to another one. I want to do it in the Excel program. So now let's start Excel. So Excel is here. Now I click on the left and I click on open. Now I'm going to go browse and I can go back to my spreadsheets right here and do the same thing to open them. So you can do it by just going to the spreadsheets themselves and open them, or going into Excel and opening them that way as well. I hope this video has been helpful and that you have a great day.